How to add poll on Facebook Reels. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then go to your profile icon. After that, go to post and then select create reel. Now, what you will have to do is simply select a video, and then after that what you will have to do is go to text, and then you should find an option of poll right over here in this section. If you find that, make sure you have the latest version of Facebook. For that, go to text, and then here on your top navigation bar you will find an option of poll. Now you will be able to add the poll in your reel. So yeah, you can also add the poll after going to next, and then go to add a poll. Simply write a poll prompt, select give poll option, then save it. Now simply share it. Now your poll with reel along with the poll will be uploaded. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.